Have you ever felt stuck in a never-ending cycle of financial struggle? No matter where you currently stand with your finances, staying vigilant for money traps that can hinder financial progress is crucial. Learn to avoid these obstacles and begin your journey to financial freedom with Finance Zoom. Today, you will break free from the cycle of financial struggle and uncover the secrets to achieve your goals. Let's get started. According to the Pew Research Center, approximately half of all American households are considered part of the middle class. This equates to roughly 165 million people. Typically, people in the middle class have some kind of college education, some disposable income, and may even be planning for retirement. But that doesn't mean they're financially stable. Now let's discuss these money traps that can keep you broke forever while in the middle class and what you should do to avoid them, starting with listening to the Ramsey Show highlights.
Middle class people stuff is car payments.
Notes.
Car payment.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to get rich on airline miles with my credit card.
HELOCs.
HELOCs. I'm gonna take a second mortgage out, interest only, and fix up my basement and build a deck because I deserve it. I believe all the SoFi commercials. The pretty people. Student loans, middle class. Some lower class, but mainly middle class. Keep you middle class forever. Whole life insurance. Leasing a car, very middle class.
Number 1, the trap of lifestyle inflation. First, let's delve into the trap of lifestyle inflation and how it can keep you trapped in a cycle of financial struggle, especially if you're in the middle class. Dave Ramsey's insights highlight how many middle-class individuals fall into this trap. They increase their financial burdens by taking on car payments, chasing credit card rewards, considering second mortgages, and embarking on home renovations that can strain their budgets. Additionally, the burden of student loans contributes to this never-ending cycle. The essence of lifestyle inflation is trying to match your spending to your growing income, often to keep up with others, a phenomenon known as keeping up with the Joneses. The problem is that this mindset can keep you stuck on a financial treadmill. You work harder and earn more, but you never progress toward financial security. Dave Ramsey's advice centers on breaking free from this trap. He emphasizes that avoiding these financial pitfalls is key to securing a brighter financial future and building genuine wealth. So let's explore strategies to escape this cycle and take control of your financial life. Next, as Dave Ramsey said,
before, an interest-only loan payment for 10 years. Well, interest-only means you paid only the interest, which means you paid nothing on the debt, which means this goes on forever and ever. Amen.
Not only 10 years.
Forever and ever. Amen. It just keeps going and going and going and going and going and going. There's no end to it. None whatsoever. It just goes on. You're going to be in debt forever. And the big problem with that is that you write checks every month for the privilege of going nowhere, just running like a rat in a wheel. That's what interest only is. No traction, no progress.
Number 2, the big pileup of debts. Let's move on to our next problem, the big pileup of debts. Dave Ramsey clarifies that an interest-only loan can lead to serious problems. He explains that when you have this type of loan, you only pay the interest, not the actual debt you owe. This situation can go on forever, and it's not just for 10 years, it's indefinite. It's like being on a treadmill that never stops. You're stuck in debt, and it's hard to progress. Dave Ramsey emphasizes that choosing an interest-only loan is detrimental because it doesn't advance your financial well-being. Instead, it keeps you spinning your wheels without real improvement. Imagine your debts as a snowball rolling down a hill, steadily growing larger and picking up speed. However, regarding your financial burdens, it's anything but enjoyable. Credit card balances, loans, and unending interest payments can overwhelm you. But fear not, we'll provide strategies to obliterate that mounting debt and regain your financial freedom. Number 3, the overlooking investment opportunities pitfall. Lastly, let's navigate the overlooking investment opportunities pitfall. Often, we stash our hard-earned money in savings accounts, thinking we're playing it safe. But here's the truth. Playing it too safe can be risky for your financial future. We'll uncover how to spot and seize investment opportunities that can grow your wealth over time. When building wealth, the best approach is to avoid trying to get rich quickly and embrace a get-rich-slow mindset. Dave Ramsey recently tweeted, "Diligently investing your money little by little over time is where real, lasting wealth comes from." Simply put, the best way to get rich quick is to get rich slow. Dave Ramsey found the research that says the one correlating factor to people who build wealth by investing is that they actually invest. What does it truly mean to invest? Investing is putting your money to work with the expectation of generating a return or profit over time. It's a means to build substantial and enduring wealth gradually. By investing wisely, you allocate your funds into assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or businesses, allowing your money to grow and appreciate over the long term. This growth, in the form of capital gains, dividends, or interest, can increase your wealth over time, helping you achieve your financial goals and secure a more comfortable future. Here's how investing can help you build real, lasting wealth over time. 1. The act of true investment. Dave Ramsey sheds light on his investment approach, which revolves around 4 types of mutual funds: growth, and income, aggressive growth, and international investments. He emphasizes that true investing means committing to it consistently. He never ceases to invest regardless of market conditions, whether upswings or downturns. The essence of this approach is to keep investing without interruption, no matter the circumstances. 2. Understanding mutual fund investments. Mutual funds are professionally managed investment vehicles that allow individuals to pool their money, which is then collectively invested in various assets. A team of experts within the mutual fund company selects and manages the portfolio's composition, including stocks, bonds, and other investment options. Depending on the assets they contain, mutual funds can be categorized as stock mutual funds or bond mutual funds. Expanding beyond the categories mentioned by Ramsey, there are numerous other mutual fund types, such as value funds, income funds, index funds, money market funds, sector funds, and hybrid mutual funds. Investing in mutual funds provides several advantages that contribute to wealth accumulation, as highlighted in a Ramsey Solutions blog post. These benefits encompass instant portfolio diversification, cost effectiveness, and active management. Mutual funds offer diversification by spreading your investment across various assets, which can mitigate risk. Moreover, the cost of investing in mutual funds is relatively lower compared to managing individual securities. Lastly, these funds are actively managed by a team of financial experts, ensuring that your investments are handled with skill and diligence. Investing in mutual funds is a strategy that allows individuals to harness these advantages, thereby setting them on a path toward building long-term wealth. Now let's discuss how you can avoid falling into these traps. Pay attention because there's valuable advice coming your way. Hear this out.
If you want to level up, you change your behaviors.
That's right.
You change your habits, you change your views. Where there is no vision, the people perish. That's like die. Vision is key. And that is, I want to level up. I'm going to do stuff I've never done before, so I have things I never had before. I'm going to pay a price to win. I'm not going to follow all the freaking all my broke friends.
Dave Ramsey's message is both enlightening and motivating. He highlights the pivotal role of changing our behaviors and habits in our journey to better financial well-being. This isn't just about tweaking a few minor aspects. It's about making significant shifts in our approach to money. Ramsey underscores the value of having a clear and ambitious vision for our financial future. It's about setting tangible goals and striving for them with dedication. Moreover, he emphasizes the necessity of taking actions we may not have considered before, stepping out of our comfort zones to reach new financial heights. Success, as Ramsey articulates, often demands sacrifices. This means making intentional choices to forego immediate gratification for long-term financial security. It might entail cutting unnecessary expenses, budgeting diligently, and investing wisely. Crucially, Ramsey advises against adopting the financial habits of friends or acquaintances who have not achieved financial success. Emulating those struggling with money will unlikely lead to a prosperous financial life. Instead, he advocates for making prudent choices that will promote financial stability and ultimately pave the way toward accumulating wealth, even within the confines of the middle class. In essence, Dave Ramsey's message is a motivating call to action, urging individuals to take charge of their financial destinies by making informed choices and embracing the path to lasting wealth and prosperity. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.